Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to be taking a look at a phone I picked up on eBay. If I remember right, this is a Motorola Razr on AT&T. There's that. And I can't remember the price on this one, but it wasn't too bad. Just a phone, no box, no charger. But I think I said when I paid for it, I'm not really too surprised. It wasn't really an expensive phone or anything. I just seen it, and to join the rest of my Razrs, I figured we're going to buy it. So here it is. It does no battery, which, like I said, wasn't really expecting much. Motorola Razr V3XX, if I remember right. Yeah, V3XX right there. Does have a SIM card. Looks to have the water indicator activated, so might have had some moisture in it at one time. There's the back. Looks to be in pretty decent condition. There's definitely some damage around the area. It's a little rough, but definitely has some scratches on the glass, heavy scratches. But it does have that reflective chrome looking, some of that reflective chrome looking inside. Buttons definitely don't look to be in the best of shape. They're definitely yellow. The center button looks like all the paint's worn off of it. Let me run and see if I can grab a battery for this one, and we'll take a look and see if this one works. Okay, so we're gonna borrow the battery out of this Razr real quick. I think they should be the same. Maybe not. We'll see if I can get it power on halfway in there. Let me grab one of the V3XXs. Alright, grab the blue one. Yeah, it's got an extra notch in the corner for it. Looks like it turns on, has power. Front display is working as well. Looks like it powers on just fine. The front display, oh well, it did power on. Maybe just the battery's not making connection all the way, I don't know. Let's shut it slowly and see. Yeah, it must be a battery thing. But I like the silver inside more than I like the black, to be honest. The black definitely looks good. But the silver just looks so much better. Yeah, it's not like the front display works correctly. But they just got the contrast turned up all the way, one of the two. But it's going to turn it off. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.